Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the additional configuration of a WebGL export. We already went through the empty folder option in a previous video, but I'll go through it again. It's great if you save files in the same folder, as it deletes everything that was there before. Title is basically the name of the window, so you can name it whatever you want. Now let's go through template. Here you can choose from a lot of options, like just a basic 3D viewport or more complicated things. For example, this has tree view. Also, 3D viewer full screen has additional options that are visible here. Progress indicator is available for almost all templates. 3D file format. The main format is WebGL packages. It's a file with IV3D extension. It's a file with zip compression. It contains the object tree, all the meshes, and optionally textures. If you choose HTML, the 3D file alongside everything else will be merged into an HTML file. It can be opened locally or sent by email. No server needed, but usually it's bigger than the WebGL package. All the other formats are for debugging purposes, so we can check what we get while generating. JavaScript. Final Mesh can either generate a lot of JavaScript files or one single one. The first option is better for debugging, while the second one is more convenient for uploading it to the server. The amount of files and their content depend on the chosen template and the additional options. For example, if the file contains bump map textures, then an additional script will be created for their support. Shadow support will add additional parts to already existing files and add new files. Final Mesh tries to create the smallest possible file by not adding unneeded files and scripts. But if you need these extra options for downloading other files, or if you want to create an addition to the already existing code, then you can always turn on extra features by clicking here and selecting what you need. For example, you can turn on multi-thread loading for big models or independent transparency if needed. If you select extra minified, it will lead to the change of a lot of names for functions, which makes you unable to additionally customize the code. Textures. It's pretty easy. All the options by default work pretty well. If you turn on internal textures, then all the files for textures will be placed into the IV3D file, which will make it easier to work with it. You can learn how all these options work in detail by using the Help tool. In the next video, I'll show you how to modify already generated files. That's all for now. See you in the next video.